After number line, our next topic is 2.4, which is comparing rational numbers. Now here we are having two methods from which we can compare rational numbers. I will explain you both method one by one. Then it's up to you from which method you are going to solve. Okay. So the first method I am using here, and that is question number 2, exercise 2b. First question is compare 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. So the first, find the LCM of denominators. So LCM of denominators. So LCM of denominators 5 and 7 is, so LCM that we have to find for 5 and 7, 5 1 ja, then 7 1 ja, 5 into 7 35. So LCM is 35. Okay, now make denominator of each rational number equal to 35. That means we will multiply 3 by 5. Now LCM is 35, and you know very well that in this denominator we are having 5, and in table of 5, 35 is a multiple of 5. 5 7 ja 35, so we will multiply from 7 by 7. So 7 3 ja 21 and 5 7 ja 35. Okay, do the same for 5 by 7. 5 by 7, then 35 is a multiple of 7. 7 5 ja 35, so that is 5 by 5. 5 5 ja 25 and 7 5 ja 35. Now as you can see, we are having same denominator 35 35, but in numerator we are having 21 and here we are having 25. You know very well that 25 is greater than 21. So for that case, 25 by 35 is greater than 21 by 35, and 25 upon 35 represents 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 5. Like this you have to write answers. Okay, so this is the first method. Now the same question by another method. Okay, question is 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. So in this condition, in this method, we have to cross multiply. Okay, so you have to write 3 into 7, then you can use a box here, and 5 into 5. Now 3 7 ja 21 and 5 5 ja 25. 25 is greater than 21. So for that condition, this 5 by 7 will be greater than. So you have to write 3 by 5 is less than 5 by 7. This one is second method. I know many of you will select this method because this is quite easy. No need of finding LCM. Just direct cross multiply and check which is greater, then that fraction will be greater. So question number 2, I explained you. One more question from question number 2 I am solving here. Now it's up to you from which method you are going to solve. If you are having 5 by 3 and 3 by 5, both are positive rational numbers. So for that you have to multiply, or you have to perform some calculations to know which rational number is greater. But if you are having one negative rational number and one positive, so that is very easy. You know positive number or positive fraction or positive rational number is always greater than a negative value. Clear? So for that you can perform the same, but at last you know that positive value is greater than negative value. For example, minus 1, 1 by 2 and 0. So solve this, minus 3 by 2 and 0. So here minus 3 into 1, then box 0 into 2. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3 and 0 into 2 0. You know very well this is negative and this is positive. So from the starting of question we know that 0 is greater than, but we have to calculate, then at last we have to write this is greater and required answer. So in this exercise 2b, question number 2 is compare and same question number 3. So just make a correction here. Question number 2 comparison you can solve by that second method. Okay, and that question number 3 you can solve by first method. So for question 2 and 3, please note it down. From this above methods you can solve. Then in the exam, maybe you will get question compare by calculating LCM or calculating denominators, and maybe you will get question compare the following rational number by any method. If any method, that means you can use that direct method. But if it is given by making denominators equal, so you have to use the first method. Clear? Denominators equal means first method, and by direct method, that is second method. So question number 2 and question number 3 you can solve. Then question number 4 ascending and question number 5 descending. You know very well ascending means smaller to greater and descending means greater to smaller. So in question number 4 and 5 I am going to explain only one question, then I will show you ascending order as well as descending order, and in that similar way you can solve question number 4 and question number 5. Clear? Then question number 6 is about fractions, rational numbers, and you have to write their side from 0. And you know very well that if you are having a positive rational number, so positive is always on right side of 0. पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर्स हमेशा ज़ीरो के राइट साइड में होते हैं और नेगेटिव नंबर्स हमेशा ज़ीरो के लेफ्ट साइड में. ओके, सो राइट साइड पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, लेफ्ट साइड नेगेटिव वैल्यू. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सेकेंड, 4 by -9 -5 by 12 2 by -3. So first of all these are not in standard form, so first convert this in standard form. So 4 by -9 will be like -4 by 9, this is a standard form, and this one is -2 by 3. Okay, now for arranging ascending order or descending order, first you must calculate LCM of denominators. So we got your LCM 36. Now the first rational number is -4 by 9. Now denominator is LCM is 36. In this denominator -4 by 9, denominator is 9. So what we will multiply in 9 to get 36? So you know 9 4s are 36. So that's why 4 by 4. So -16 by 36 we got. Similarly -5 by 12. So we have to multiply something in 12 to get 36. So we multiply 12 3s are 36. So 3 by 3. From here we are getting -15 by 36. Now -2 by 3. In 3 we will multiply 12. So our answer is 36. So 12 by 12. -2 into 12 -24. 3 into 12 36. Now ascending order that we have to write here. Okay. So in this rational numbers, you know very well that denominators are equal after LCM and this calculation. The first numerator is -16, the second one is -15, then -24. Whenever we are having negative numbers, so the bigger negative number is always smaller. Okay, for example जैसे 45 है और 53 है. इन दिस 53 इज़ बिगर. ओके, बिगर नंबर है क्योंकि पॉजिटिव है. बट द सेम वे अगर -45 है और -53 है तो -45 बिगर होगा -53 से. सो द फर्स्ट बिगर वैल्यू इज़ -15, देन सेकेंड ऑर्डर -16 एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ -24. सो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर smaller to bigger, so the smaller is -24, then second smaller -16 and the last -15. Now -24 by 36 is -2 by 3 as per question. This is -4 by 9 and this is -5 by 2. Clear? Now the same if you want to arrange in ascending order, so just write this greater than greater than, greater than. This is your answer. So exercise 2B is over now. Thank you.